So today you met CM regarding what was the issue.
I came because our badminton players have been excluded from the national games. आमचे बॅडमिंटन असोसिएशन आसा ते आमचे भुरगे शॉर्टलिस्ट केल्ले आनी ट्रेनिंगाक धाडले आनी सडनली लास्ट मिनट 2 दीस पयले आमचे गोंयकारां तीग जाणां दे आर स्टेट प्लेयर्स स्टेट अवॉर्ड विनर्स आनी तांकां 2 दीस पयले काडले आनी कोणें भायले हाडले आनी गायले आमचे गोंयचे टिमान सो एक हांव जाणा थिंग रूल आहा 70-30 हाडूं जाता म्हूण 30% हाडूं जाता पूण गरज आहा तेन्ना वेन यू नीड लॉरल्स वेन यू नीड रँक कित्याक आमचे प्लेयर्स बरे ना जाल्यार तुज्यान भायर हाडलो जाता म्हूण यू कांट डिप्रायव दोज हू आर रँकर्स आनी तांकां भायर दवरपाचें सो आय फावंड दीस इज इनजस्टीस फॉर आवर गोवन यूथ आमचे भुरगे तरणाटे आहात ते प्रॅक्टीस करतात दे आर डेडिकेटेड अँड दे आर विनर्स and suddenly they are being deprived of a chance. What is the future of our Goans? So I told the chief minister, this is very bad. Though it is an association matter, I feel that an inquiry should be conducted. And I found that prima facie, this is my view, that prima facie this may be some corrupt act on the part of the badminton association of doing this kind of a deprivation to Goans, and whatever justification, whether it is on monetary consideration, whether it is on account of pressure, I think some inquiry needs to be conducted and how these people were taken at the last minute when they didn't even come for training. आमच्या भुरग्याक सांगला तूं ट्रेनिंगाक येना जाल्यार तुमकां फायनल फॉर द मॅच टुर्नामेंटाक धाडचनात म्हणून आनी एक कांय ट्रेनिंगाक येनासतना हाव डू यू कम एंड एक्सपेक्ट देम जस्ट टू बी इम्पोर्टेड हियर एंड ब्रॉट इन टू द गेम्स I think the government should also stand by the Goans and our Goan fraternity and not fall prey with these machinations of the Goa Badminton Association. Otherwise, if the Badminton Association has done something wrong, आमचे Badminton Association, आमचे गोंयकारां पासत. It's not supposed to be an association to bring other people. This is not some club to bring everybody from other places. आमगे गोंयकारां पासत ते आमचे association आसा. नाजाल्यार it should be disbanded and let them go home, have an association which is dedicated for Goans.
Sir, 9 crore has been spent on the infrastructure, but as per the uh, experts, they say it is a substandard. What do you like to say about it?
No, until I see something in black and white, I will not go by rumors. When I went to the stadium the other day at Pede, uh, personally, I'm not an expert, I'm not an engineer, but I was quite satisfied with the work which was being done. But it will show up when the game start. हमको got like what has been the level of the money which has been put, what is the product which we are getting. But until that, I don't want to make statements just on rumors, just on guesswork, unless I have some documentary proof.
What was the CM assurance, sir?
CM said that he was not happy with this, what has happened. CM also agreed with me that that 70-30% rule takes precedence only when we don't have people. And he said he will ask for an inquiry.
One more thing, Goan player have not got a proper training. In spite of that, they have to pay from their own. What do you like to say
Then
about
I
it?
think this is some racket going on. Kita, they must be collecting money. These associations or whoever are collecting money, they must be giving bills to the government and not paying our players, which is completely wrong. They are not there to enrich themselves. They are there for the benefit of sports. And if they are this thing, they should be sent home, and the proper place for them should be in the jail.
So apart from